Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through how to withdraw funds from Coinbase account. Withdrawing funds from Coinbase involves a straightforward process, so here's a step-by-step guide to help you withdraw funds from your Coinbase account. First of all, tap open the Coinbase application and make sure that you're signed into your account. After logging into your Coinbase account, go ahead and click on the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen, or it can also be mentioned as Assets. After you click on Portfolio or Asset, this is where you can view all of your cryptocurrencies and funds you hold in your Coinbase wallet. Select any cryptocurrency or a fiat currency you wish to withdraw from Coinbase. It can be Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, etc. After selecting one of the assets, click on the Withdraw button on the top right corner. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter the recipient address where you want to send the funds. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw and ensure it does not exceed your available balance. After you are done entering the details, confirm the withdrawal, and that way, you will be able to withdraw funds from Coinbase. That's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.